Here you go.
Girls and Chris are
handle.
flying kites.
Come here, Jay. Hold handle. Right here. Come to Daddy. Jay, come over here by Daddy.
You have to run, remember?
By Daddy. Hold the handle. Can you hold on to the handle?
Go, go, go. Fast, fast, fast.
Come run this way, Jenna. Run this way. You gotta run, big girl. Here it goes. It's gonna go in the end.
Run, Kayla, run.
It's a run, big girl.
There goes Kayla.
Run, Jenna. Jenna. There you go. Look, here it's flying. Your kite's flying.
All right.
You did it. Run, run, run.
JJ, is that your kite's tail? Don't pull it, don't pull it.
Don't get tangled. Okay, come here. You want me to help you fly it? Come here. Okay. Run around, Kayla. Hey, now let's go to the other side and we'll run over here.
Go, Kayla, go!
Run, run!
Go, Kayla, go!
We're going to go over this.
Here you go.
Don't stand on it.
It won't.
Oh.
Well, no, it's right around your leg. It's right around your leg.
All right, hey, run back the other way.
Pull your foot out. There you go.
Don't run into Daddy and Jenna. There it goes. Keep going, yay! Heads up.
Yeah, thanks for the warning there, fella.
I told her not to run into you.
Kiters. Look, Jenna. It's flying. It's flying in the sky, isn't it? You like that? If you can get them up high enough, sometimes they'll just stay up there. I don't know if there's enough wind for that.
Yesterday would have been a good day.
That's Saturday.
There was a wind warning. There you go, Kayla.
Come here, Jenna. I'm going to give it to you. Come here. I'll give it to you. Kayla, see, you can't come over by me, though, when you got it, because you'll get it right around Sissy and you'll get it caught on.
All right, everybody wave bye to the camera. I have to go to work.
Bye-bye, Mommy. Have fun.
Bye, girls.
Here, come get your handle, Jenna. Kayla, stop running over. Jenna. Come on, Jenna. It's over here. It's over here. Bye, Mommy.
Bye.